Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 20th, 2015, and today's Thursday morning. So looking at the economic calendar first, GBP numbers coming out at 10:30, retail sales, monthly retail sales. And then we have at 2:30 South African time, USD unemployment numbers. These are weekly numbers. Shouldn't be a major issue, but they are coming out then. And then later in the day, just a little bit after that, around 4 o'clock South African time, we have existing home sales and Philly Fed Consumer Index. So these are two major numbers that we need to just keep aloft about just to in today's market. Crazy stuff happened yesterday. Looking at the Dow Jones, this is pretty much what happened yesterday. We opened up at about 17,500, and we sold off about 300 points, 350 points on the extremity, and then we rallied. Okay, we had this big rally in the FOMC minutes meeting yesterday, and as a response to it, we almost came back completely from a day of, a big sell-off, and then we teetered out. So this is so indicative of a bearish market, this crazy volatility, crazy moves one way or another, and this is why I tell you guys you have to really keep an eye on this, and especially the Dow Jones. As a result of that, gold also responded. If we look at gold, gold rallied yesterday, big numbers yesterday in gold. You can see the extent of the rally a little bit better here. We finally went above 1121, and we just rallied all the way to 1140, 1139, and we're at that point. Okay, we're really at that point where we've hit previous resistance, previous support. So we're about 10 points shy of that. But just keep that in mind, because what has been support before should be anticipated resistance right here. So I could see ourselves going all the way up to 1170, 1148, around that area. Those are two. 1170 is the higher resistance, and 1148 is the lower resistance, and we're closer to 1148, obviously. So keep an eye on gold. Oil is still on its dead bottoms, very close to $41 a barrel, just at $41 a barrel. Not much doing this week with the oil. We had this little bit of a rally yesterday, and then we just teetered out. So it is still dead on its lows, and it's still very, very weak. So just keep an eye on that. Looking at the GBP USD, we are at the top of the range here at 156 with this number coming out. Not sure if it's going to make that big of a difference, but we really have to break out on the high side to really feel like it's a bullish market still. So keep an eye on that as well. Looking at some of the other indices right now, the Hang Seng is also completely selling off. As you can see here, big sell-off in the Hang Seng over the past few days, and just over the past month. So lots going on in the markets today. Keep an eye on the Aussie dollar also. Still retracing at 73.4646, and that's the wrap up today. I would still keep an eye on the Dow Jones. It's going to continue being volatile. I just didn't expect it to be so early in the session in August to be so active. Usually it starts getting active at September, but this is very indicative of a very bearish market. So keep that in mind. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.